Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a social media agency with Hootsuite easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by defining your niche and target audience. Identify the specific industries or types of businesses you want to serve. Research their social media needs and challenges. Next, create a business plan outlining your services. Decide whether you will offer content creation, management, advertising, or consulting. Set your pricing structure based on market research and competition analysis. Once you have a plan, sign up for Hootsuite. Visit the Hootsuite website and choose a suitable plan for your agency. Familiarize yourself with the Hootsuite dashboard and features. Add your social media accounts to Hootsuite. Connect platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Organize your dashboard by creating tabs for different clients or campaigns. Start creating content using Hootsuite's Content Studio. Use the image library and design tools for eye-catching visuals. Schedule posts in advance to ensure consistent posting. Implement Hootsuite's analytics tools to track engagement and performance. Generate reports for your clients to show progress and results. Engage with your audience directly through Hootsuite's monitoring features. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Consider using Hootsuite's team collaboration tools for larger projects. Invite team members and delegate tasks as necessary. Continue to refine your strategies based on data and client feedback. Network with other professionals to expand your agency's reach. Promote your agency through various channels, including social media and networking events. Continuously educate yourself on social media trends and Hootsuite updates. Stay flexible and adapt your services to meet changing market demands. Build strong relationships with your clients for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.